What's up guys, my name's Arik and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to be reviewing not one but two Skyler Bradshaw dolls, different dolls. We were supposed to have a Skyler week. That didn't happen. I got busy, I'm so sorry, and I have two more that I haven't posted a video of. So I'm going to put them together in this video and kind of review them both. I am doing our first one, which is the Rainbow High Winter Break doll right here, and then I am going to also be reviewing the Rainbow Junior High doll, and I am going to start with her. Let me unbox her, but before we do that, let's go ahead and just kind of review the box really quick. I don't know if you guys have already seen her or if you have her. I'm sorry, or if you have her. But I really like it. I honestly at first didn't like any of the winter break ones. Not that I didn't like him. I just didn't catch my eye. But I like them actually now. I like the outfits. I love that they come with more accessories than they usually do. I know the first one, which is the the original classic one, came with a second outfit, and the other one didn't, and I was a little disappointed with the cheer one, mostly because of the packaging that I got from that one. Watch the video for that one. It'll be right there somewhere. But yeah, so this one has her skis, and it has her little her outfit already, or her skiing outfit, and then she has a little a second outfit here on the side with some shoes. In the back, you can see all of them here, all of our original gals right there. I only have Skyler because she's my favorite. But yeah, let me unbox her and take it from there. Okay, so we took her out of the original box, and this, I do love this, this outfit is in full range, because as I'm displaying them up here somewhere, up there, down there, I do like keeping the second outfit in the box. So right before we get started with her, we'll go ahead and do this. So in the back, she comes with her stand. Okay, the original color stand. When I display them, I don't use the bottom part. I normally, if they don't stand on their own, I only use the actual stand part itself with the little hook or the little grab thing, and it'll help me stand them. I normally keep the brushes and all of the little accessories in one of, like, a little drawer, specifically for my Rainbow High dolls. So this is with instructions on, she comes with instructions on how to put in the ski, I guess the ski. She comes with her hanger, the hanger, and I am so glad that this little thing came in separately, because there was something, another doll that they had them under, I think it was an LOL doll or something. I couldn't find the little grab thing from the stand, and I was so mad. It wasn't until the end that I figured out it was there. So there's no problem with this one. And there you go. So blue with glitter stand. We are going to use it now in a little bit for her. So this second outfit is like a fur jacket, or a faux fur jacket, and in the bottom it has, in the bottom she comes with like a white top with some sequins on it. She is wearing, or she has some jeans, some little light jeans with some sequins in the bottom. I want to say they're very retro-ish, and then the heels are some strappy, white strappy heels. And I'm going to zip this up because, like I said, I usually kind of put them in the display, so I want to keep it as is. So let's go ahead and start with, or continue with, her ski. Man, this is so cool. This one is pretty good size. It says rainbow in the back, and it's in blue. And then you can put her shoes or her feet in here. Obviously, I'm assuming with her snow boots, the snow boots should fit in here. And then it has rainbow in the rainbow high in the bottom, or the RH in the bottom on both sides. And it's like an ombre or gradient effect in the back, and I really do like it a lot. It's pretty, even though it's flexible, it's pretty sturdy. It's pretty thick. And now let's take her out. No joke, this has to be my favorite hair yet on her, or on any of them. It's so curly and bouncy. So it has different tones of blue on her, or on like all of them. But I really like it. So her little ski, or her beanie, is a light blue color, and it has a little fuzzy in the back and then on top, and it has some sequins. Her hair from the top is just a little flat. I'm assuming because of the beanie. I want to keep it on. I'm not gonna take that off yet. She doesn't come with earrings. But her face is like a shimmery color, and then she has her blue eyeshadow with her pink lipstick, and her eyelashes obviously are rooted eyelashes like all of the rest. And then her little outfit, she's wearing an RH white and metallic blue jacket with it comes with little suspenders. I wonder if it'll come off, or I wonder if it's like a whole piece. I'm not sure, but it's pretty legit. I mean, honestly, it all comes together. I don't know how it comes off, but I love it. And the bottom part is a full suit. It's like I want to say like a jumpsuit type of style. It has a zipper in the front, and then it has two zippers on the sides, like I guess to mimic some pockets. And then the bottom has some different, or some lines, some different blue and white lines. And then her boots are little different shades of ski boots with the rainbow in the front. You see that? So honestly, she looks freaking cool. I'm going to stand her right here just so you can kind of see and admire her without my hands being all over there. Right there. See her? Oh my gosh. She looks so cool. Her hair is awesome. I honestly love that the hair, I don't have to wash it or do anything to it, because most of the time their hair comes with so much hairspray that it's super stiff. But this one is just bouncy and pretty much ready to go. Unless you want to do something different to it, then you can. But I would suggest not to, just to kind of keep it with the vibe. And then if you put her little ski next to her, kind of right there, she's literally a whole mood right now. Anyway, moving on, I'm going to set her right here because she is still part of the video. I'm going to put this right there. Moving on to our Skyler Bradshaw Rainbow Junior High doll. This one, right off the bat, you already know she is smaller in size. Obviously, they're supposed to be like in their early teens. But she's smaller, shorter than the original one. So in the back, you have 3 of our girls, and it says, go back in time and meet your favorite students before they became friends. Hey, I'm going to just leave this here and kind of, so you can pause it and read the rest. But you have 3 of our girls in the back. And then in the front, we have a picture of Skyler as a little junior high teen. And then everything else, as far as the boxes, is pretty much the same, except they're smaller. Obviously smaller because they don't come with a second outfit, and it's very disappointing it doesn't come with a second outfit. But I do love her. So let me go ahead and open her already. and we will see what's up. Okay, so here she is. She looks so tiny. So this is the brush. She comes with a brush also. Unfortunately, she doesn't come with a stand. So I really do hope that she's able to stand on her own because of the display part of mine up there. But if not, I can just kind of sit her. But she doesn't stand. Or maybe I'm not standing her correctly. I can't stand her up. I can stand her up. I can stand her. I can stand her up. But anyway, so first we're going to start with her little backpack. So her backpack is a clear blue plastic material. And I don't know if it opens. It does open. So it has a little Velcro where you can open it and kind of, you know, put some of her accessories inside. It has a full front pocket. Or maybe it does open. Does it? It does not, but yeah, that's okay. And then it comes with a little strappy in the front. I'm sorry, on top. And then it does come with a little rainbow high or a little tag that says it has an RH, but it's a little tag. I don't think you'll be able to see it. And then the back, it comes with the two straps, so you can kind of maybe strap her to her shoulders. So this is cute because it's like it has that little metallic blue backpack. So, and then she's wearing a blue rainbow high sweater or a little hoodie. And honestly, the front is very similar to Adidas. The Adidas logo. Well, I guess it has it like on the side. I don't know if that's legal. Can they get in trouble for that? I don't know. I mean, it's not exactly like that, but I guess the way it is on the pockets, it just kind of makes it seem like it's an Adidas. It does have the same stripes on this, the sleeves, actually on both sleeves. And then she is wearing a jean mini skirt. It's like a two-toned jean mini skirt with some pockets that have the same little silver stripes as the hoodie, and then she has in the back some back pockets as well. She is wearing some blue tennis shoes. Tennis right there, and I don't know if you can see it. And one of them has an orange tag. There, one of them has an orange tag. I hope it's focusing. Has an orange tag right there, and then the soles are like a black and white design as well. So her makeup, her eyes, everything is pretty similar to the rest of them. She does have, or the rest of her other dolls, she does have some like glitter eyeliner. I don't like her hair. Because it is not fixed. I'm pretty sure once we fix it and wash it, it'll look pretty awesome. But honestly, she looks pretty cool. I like her. She's wearing her classic or her signature blue nail polish. And if you compare her to these, she's significantly smaller. Obviously because they are in junior high, so she hasn't grown up yet. And I love it. It actually looks like they could be like her little sister, and it's freaking cool. I love that they did this. I love that they're adding new ones. I know that the new series, some pictures were leaked of the second series of them, and I can't wait to see what they are going to come up with in as a total thing. But yeah, this is it for her. She comes with this. She comes with this. She comes with her bag and her little comb. As far as our winter break one, she comes with an outfit or a second outfit. She comes with the skis. She comes with her rainbow high hanger, which of course this one says rainbow high. The other one doesn't say that rainbow high. And then there's a second hanger right there, and then she comes with a brush as well. So the color of the brushes are pretty similar. I like this one more because it has glitter. But yeah, this is it for both of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. Let me know what you think of these two Skyler Bradshaw dolls. Let me know if you have them, or if you want them, or if you're excited for the new ones. Also, just a little kind of sneak it in there, I can't wait for the Shadow High dolls to officially come out because I want to get all of them. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.